Hi guys, to receive this bagless canister vacuum with hair eliminator nozzle for reviewing purposes, so let's open it up. Okay, I think it's nice because it has many attachments that will come handy when you are cleaning your house. Okay, first thing we see when we open the box is a use and care guide. Okay, we get this part of vacuum. I think it's really nice. We have in here the vacuum hose, okay, with a handle. Here we can select if we want carpet or hard floor for the vacuum, and you have the suction control in here, okay, which I think it's nice. Okay, this can rotate, okay, so you don't have to worry. This is the extension rod, okay. This is the release button and this is the extension mechanism. Okay, as you can see, you can extend it quite a bit. I think it's really nice and it's works really easily. And in here is the main unit. Okay, it's really nice. You have wheels so you can transport it with you. We have the power up button and the release of the cord. As you can see, it goes in here, and when we press this button, it retracts automatically. Okay, in this back part we have different kinds of nozzles. Okay, these two, which I think they are really nice and they come really handy. And we can also take the filter like this, okay, so we can clean it, wash it, and leave it perfect for the next use. Okay, which I think it's really nice. Besides that, we have the dust cup. Okay, so to release it, you just unplug this part like this, and we can take it out like this. Okay, now that you have it taken out of the vacuum unit, we can just press this button, and it opens it, and we can clean it. Okay, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna take the vacuum hose and plug it in like this. Okay, then I'm gonna place this to the extension rod. This is how it looks all assembled. Okay, I think it's nice. And I'm gonna take the cable. I'm gonna select hard floor and so as you can see, it's really easy to use. I think it works perfectly. I like a lot that you can select in the handle if you want to clean your carpet or a hard floor. In this case, well, you see it was hard floor, but I also like that you get these two other nozzles to clean, well, different areas. There's like a carpet if you need it, and this one to get hard to reach areas, which I think it's really nice. And also with the combination of the extension rod, I think it will work perfectly. Okay, it's really nice, works great, comes the essential attachments that you need to use it, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.